So I heard you were looking to convert videos to live wallpapers on your iOS device. Well, this is a video for you. You could say that I read your mind, or I guess you just checked YouTube or something. We'll never know. So what you want to do is head over to the App Store and go search for an app called Video 2 Live. So that's video with the number 2 and then live. You can also find the link in the description as well. And I'll just go ahead and open it. This is what the app looks like. Ooh, but I'll show you something cool about the app. If you go into dark mode, it changes appearance, and if you click the video to live icon up there, you get this really cool feature developed by YomiTosh too. So I've got a video right here. This is AppStore from Black Clover, and I do a lot of other live wallpaper anime videos for popular animes, and if you'd like to check that out, you can click the icon right there. But yeah, this is AppStore from Black Clover, and it's currently a video, a 5-second video. So what you want to do is head over to your video to live app and hit the convert button, hit the photo library button down there, and you can just go ahead and click on the video or find the video and click on the video. And here you can do like a minor crop. You can also scrub through the video, but I'm not going to be doing any of that in the app. You just hit convert right there, or rather choose right there, and it converts the file, and you can actually preview the file right here. So if you 3D touch or if you haptic touch on this part, and what you want to do is hit save, live photo saved. So you can go ahead and open photos, and as you can see, this is a new live photo created from the video right there, and you can go ahead and set this as wallpaper. But before we do that, what you want to do is head over to edit, and there's a live photo tab down here, and you can actually change the main frame of the live photo, and you hit make key photo right there and hit done. And now instead of having that, like, I don't know what it was before, but now you have Asta as the main sort of subject of your picture. And you see why I used the term picture just now. So what you want to do is go ahead and set this as your wallpaper on your iOS device. So hit set and use the lock screen, and there we go. I just lock my device right now, and this is what I have on my lock screen. So if I 3D touch, and I now get this like beautiful animation of Asta against, I forget his name. Someone remind me in the comments. And if you're concerned about battery life, you shouldn't, because this is actually an Apple feature. And unless Apple is trying to sell you a new device, Apple generally tends to make battery life the top priority. But yeah, this is what it looks like on your lock screen. It's just an image on your lock screen, and it's only until you actually click on it or haptic touch on it or 3D touch on it that you actually get a video file playing. So if you're still here watching this video, I've got some other things to show you. So for those people that have been asking me, how do I actually get the links to work on the Google Drive that I've been posting for the other videos that I have on my channel? What you want to do is go ahead and get the link, and then you can open it in Drive. It might be easier if you download these live wallpapers on like a Mac or like a desktop and then send it over to your phone, because some of these files are pretty large, like 200 megabytes. I'm actually going to be using a smaller file for this one, so I've got some Dragon Ball live photos right here. And what you want to do is hit the 3 buttons beside the video file just like that, and click open in, and it's going to download the video, and it's going to pop up a little menu now. So what you want to do, because you can't save it directly to your photos, you want to save it to files first, and I'm just going to save it to on my iPhone and downloads right now. And I've got one already because I've done this once before. But yeah, hit replace, and then I go into my files app on my iOS device and look at it right there. That's the video, and it's a video file like that. So all you want to do is hit, or rather 3D touch on it or haptic touch on it, long press basically, and hit share, and then you can go ahead and save the video to your photo library. I'll just go back to the photo library there, and you can see that there's an 8-second video right there. And I mean, that's about it. You can go back into your video to live app and hit convert and change it to a live wallpaper. And if you guys are still watching, you're probably about the 1% that actually watch all the way to the end of my video, or 0.1% to be fair. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can also do that as well. And if you have any comments or anything that you might need help with, let me know in the description. That's been it. That's been me, YomiTosh here, signing out. Peace.